Hey. This right here, this video, the person who made me do this video, well, didn't force me to, but I wanted to too, because I agree with her. And that person is Celise, and you should check her out on Instagram. So this is kind of a sponsored video. I don't really know. Well, it's not sponsored video, so don't worry, you guys. You don't have to not give me a link. Huh. Well, anyways, follow me on Musical.ly, Cute Little Devil, and Instagram, Cute Little Devil. Here, I'll just type in my name. Hold on. Some of it screenshot. Okay, this is where you can find me on Musical.ly and Snapchat and Instagram. And I'm sure Celise already got me. It's called Cute Little Devil 69. Musical.ly, Cute Little Devil. The next is Snapchat, Aviator Snaps. And those are all, this right here is a 0. So screenshot this. And then, or you can choose on my thing that I'm making here. Hold on. Don't come off. Hold on. I'm going to tie you up. I'm my brother's. It's my brother's video. No. Okay, that's my name, so screenshot this. Or, this is my nickname to see. Write that too if you want. Well, now we're going to be hanging up posters. I'll see you at the loft. Hold on, it's kind of like zoomed in. There we go. See you at the loft. We ain't never getting old. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, don't worry about my embarrassing songs. Okay, now we got some posters. Like this right here. I think it uses tape for that. So hold on, you'll see one on the wall. Right exactly there. Even though a pug will be right there. Okay, now I found it. It's right there. It's so cute. Next poster, I think it'll be this one. This one will be posted right there. On top of Nolan and Eli. Nolan and Elias. Hold on, you'll see it there. There we go, now it's there. We'll go put another one up. Like this hamster. We'll put this up. Probably right there. Right there. You know, I put it there. Next. Oh yeah. I gotta go now. I'll finish off and I'll videotape it, but then I won't tape it. I'm sorry of me doing everything, like posting them up. You'll see the new things. I'm gonna decor my room, and when you come back, what's up, boys? Strange, I hear a noise. I guess I'm not the only one who has trouble. Looks like your nap is over, Daddy. I heard a noise outside.
It's already on the hook of another phone truck. Battle plan is quite simple. Win. Win against the battle. Win against the competition. If you're not going to play to win, there's no point in playing at all.
Can you step, please? Oh, Daddy. Can you give me a blog and a sandwich? Can you give me a blog and a sandwich?
I might be the righteous man.
Yeah, a blog and a sandwich.
You should have waited for me, buddy. There's always a green truck on the hill. Unhook it right now. I don't think anybody. I refuse to let a bully get the best of me. That's just not going to happen.
No.
I am not afraid of
And
anybody.
bring my chocolate milk and dip, okay? Well, that was creepy. So, I'll see you next time. Or maybe next week. I don't know. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye!